Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account for free. For that, you need to open a web browser and search for Gmail and press enter. And here it is, Gmail, google.com/gmail. We need to go to here. And here it is, the Google Gmail web page. Now here you can see create an account button. We need to click on this. And here is our create your Google account web page. Now here put your informations. The first name, I'm going to put mine, and last name. After that, it will give you an automated username. You can change it as you wish by simply writing here, just like me. After choosing your username, you need to put your password in here. You need to put at least 8 or more characters with mix of letters, numbers and symbols, just like this one. And after that, you need to confirm your password by simply write it in here again. And after that, click next. And here is our Gmail is created. On this page, you need to put your phone number for confirmation in here. You can simply select your country from clicking on this one and select any of these countries. I'm from Bangladesh, so I'm choosing this one. And you need to put your phone number. And after that, you can put a recovery email in here. If you have one, I'm going to put mine. And here it is. Now you need to select your birth date in here. I'm going to put mine. Always put your real birth date in here, so you will never forget that. Now you can choose your gender from here. You can say female, male, rather not to say, or custom. You can choose any of these genders. I'm going to select mine, male, and click next. Select send for verifying your phone number. Now put the verification code in here and click verify. Now in here you can choose yes I'm in or skip this by simply clicking skip, and read all of this and click I agree. And here it is, your Gmail account is created. Now click next and select your view, comfortable, compact or default. I'm going to select default and click OK. And here it is, your Gmail account is created. Now you can learn how to use Gmail, get it for your mobile phone. You can sign out from here or choose your profile picture by simply clicking this one and upload a picture from your computer and choose your profile picture. Select a photo from your computer and upload a photo. Here it is uploading, and crop it as you wish, as you like, and select set as profile picture. You will get your profile picture updated sometimes later. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this one. And thank you for watching. Have good times.